navigate to find a club on our new website. So up here under our clubs tab, you can see that there's a find a club option. So if we click on that, that will take us to our interactive Google map with our clubs. We have a small key here that will say the green circle with the ASCCA icon are our financial members. The purple only icon is our team members by town or city location, and the purple icon with the other icon in the middle are the ASCCA contact details. So as we scroll down into the calendar map, we can then see we can zoom in by scrolling on our mouse or by using the plus and minus symbols. So if I wanted to zoom into Wagga Wagga, for example, you can see that Wagga Wagga Senior Citizen Centre comes up, and I can click on there and their details will pop up on the side. So I can close that one down. If I want to have a list of the financial members, if I click on this little icon at the top here, and then that will pop out, and I can click on the drop down that says all items. That gives us an alphabetical list of all of our financial members at the moment as well. Then I can click on that and that will close that as well. If you would prefer this map to be larger, we can use the view larger map icon on the right hand side here. That will pop it into a new window, and as you can see, the same details come up on the left hand side. So I can flick that arrow to open the full list of all of our financial members, and then you can click on that and that will take you to where they are on the map. I have made the icons with the green background so that they're a little bit more visible on the map for us. So we can then zoom in and we can see that says Eastern Suburbs Computers, and it's still there. Now if we can click back here, if we can't find what we're looking for in the list, we can click on the search icon. Say for example we're looking for Northern Beaches. So if I type in Northern, Avalon Computer Pals, Hornsby RSL or Ku-ring-gai Computer Pals pops up. We know that it's Avalon, so we're going to go and have a look there, and that gives us the address for Avalon. And we should be able to get all of the details that we need from their club on there. So that is the easy way to use the Google Map on our new website using a browser.